My name is Raminder and I'm going to define you the green computing, aims, steps and e-waste. Green computing, also called green technology, is the environmentally responsible use of computers and related resources. Such practices include the implementation of energy efficient central processing units, CPUs, servers and peripherals, as well as reduced resources consumption and proper disposal of electronic waste, that's e-waste. Many IT manufacturers and vendors are continuously investing in designing energy efficient computing devices, reducing the use of dangerous materials, and encouraging the reusability of digital devices and paper. Green, computed, green computing practices came into being in 1992 when the Environmental Protection Agency EPA launched the Energy Star program. Aim of green computing. Green computing or green IT aims to attain economic viability and improve the way computing devices are used. Green IT practices include the development of environmentally sustainable production practices, energy efficient computers, and improved disposable and recycling procedures. To promote green computing concepts at all possible levels, the following four complementary approaches are employed. Green Green use, minimizing the electricity consumption of computers and their peripheral devices and using them in an eco-friendly manners. The second one is the green disposable, remaking an existing computer or appropriately disposing of or recycling unwanted electronic equipment. Green design, designing energy efficient computers, servers, printers, projectors, and other digital devices. Green manufacturing, minimizing waste during the manufacturing of computers and other subsystems to reduce the environmental impact of these activities. Steps of green computing. Develop a sustainable green computing plan. Discuss with your business leader the elements that should be factored into such a plan, including organizational policies and checklists. Such a plan should include recycling policies, recommendation for disposable of used equipment, government guidelines, and recommendation for purchasing green computer equipment. Recycle. Recycle is the discard used or unwanted electronic equipment in a convenient and environmentally responsible manner. Computers have toxin metals and pollutants that can emit harmful emission into the environment. Never discard computers in a landfill. Recycle them instead through manufacturer programs such as HP's Planet Partners, recycling services, or recycling facility in your community. Reduce paper consumption. There are many easy, obvious ways to reduce paper consumption. Email, electronic archiving, use the track changes featured in electronic documents rather than red line correction on paper. Conserve energy. Turn off your computer when you know you won't use it or for un use it for an extended period of time. Turn on computer management features during shorter period of inactivity. Power management allows monitors and computers to enter low power states when sitting idle. By simply hitting the keyboards or moving the mouse, the computer or monitor awakens from its low power sleep mode in seconds. Power management tactics can save energy and help protect the environment. Potential benefits. The over rapid growth of technologies and innovation brings forth many ways on how green computing will have a positive impact, along with great benefits. The benefits of green computing are large, not only from just a customers or business of countries standpoint, but a global benefit. Green computing helps reduce energy demands, waste, and money of how we use technology, which positively affect the environment and our costs. Though the method of green computing can also benefit in simple way, methods such as turning off your computers during the night. For example, a computer left for 24 hours will cost you between $115 to $160 in annual electronic cost and also produce 1,500 pounds of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. By simply turning off your computer during the nights, you ultimately can save up to 67% annually in your electric bill. Along with reducing greenhouse gases, overall, the benefits of green computing will result in saving money, reducing costs, and conserving energy, along with helping the environment. What? E-waste. The term e-waste encompasses all old electrical appliances, either in a state of disrepair or simply obsolete. This includes everything from fridges and microwaves to mobile phones and computers. The correct disposal of e waste is of vital importance to being able to achieve a sustainable future. Why is e-waste such a problem? The issue of e-waste is relatively new to the world, given the digital age only began to take off with the invention of the World Wide Web in 1989. The idea of social responsible recycling is still catching on, and the idea of how to dispose of our e-waste is something most of us don't think about. The problem is that when we do need to get rid of a computer or TV, we tend to look for the cheapest and quickest option. However, the e-waste recycle who offers to take your e-waste cheaply or for free may be the one who is shipping your e-waste overseas, and that's the bad news.